Gamers, content creators, and tech lovers. What if I told you there's a laptop so powerful, so advanced, it could redefine your entire gaming experience? Enter the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9. This beast is not just a gaming laptop, it's a game changer. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this is the best gaming laptop of 2024. And maybe, just maybe, you'll want to grab one for yourself in 2025. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk performance. This bad boy is packing an Intel 24-core i9-14900HX processor that can turbo up to a jaw-dropping 5.8 GHz. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, and you've got a machine that laughs in the face of lag. You want smooth gameplay? How about running AAA titles at max settings with DLSS 3.5 and ray tracing turned on? Yeah, that's right. Even my reflexes can't keep up with how fast this thing is. Maybe the laptop should be playing me. Now, gamers know, visuals can make or break the experience. The 16-inch WQXGA display with a buttery-smooth 240Hz refresh rate is a feast for your eyes. It's got a 2560x1600 resolution, 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, and is certified by X-Rite Pantone. Translation? Colors so accurate, Bob Ross would approve. Oh, and let's not forget that this display has HDR support and an anti-glare coating. So whether you're gaming in a dungeon or editing under studio lights, you're covered. Let's talk about staying cool. The Legion Cold Front Vapor Cooling System is an engineering marvel. It's got 3D fan blades, a vapor chamber, and hybrid heat pipe tech that keeps the CPU and GPU chill even when the game gets heated. And it's whisper quiet. Battery-wise, the 99.99 BOHR battery is the largest legally allowed in a laptop. Add super rapid charge and 140W USB-C charging, and you're back in action before you can say, let's queue another round. But wait, there's more. You've got every port you could ever want. USB-A, USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and even good old Ethernet for the serious gamers out there. Plus, Lenovo throws in a high-precision gaming mouse and a 32GB USB-C flash drive. It's like Christmas in a box. So there you have it. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9 isn't just a laptop, it's a masterpiece of engineering. From its lightning-fast RTX 4080 GPU to its stunning 16-inch display, it's built to deliver and then some. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a streamer, or someone who just wants the best, this is your laptop. And guess what? It's available now on Amazon with exclusive deals. Click the link below and get yours today. Don't wait too long though. These are selling faster than my FPS in a boss fight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. Until next time, happy gaming.